front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app, this one. Now select Alarm on the left at the top of this section and click on plus icon at the bottom to create a new one. Finally, you can adjust it however you wish to. This is my favorite part. Set up an hour, hit repeat, and pick days of the week you want to set up. Then choose OK in this pop-up to save them. If you wanna, you can click on this switcher next to allow skipping alarms to enable or disable this option, and then select sound. Choose allow in this pop-up, agree in the second one, and either tap on music on device to pick any song from your tablet, click on it, and go back, or pick one of those. Personally, I've gone through every one of those sounds, and my favorite one is Morning Light. And Forest Melody. Then click on Ring Duration. Decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react, and tap on Snooze Duration to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat thanks to those two sliders. Then hit OK. After adjusting all of those options, you can finally save your alarm by clicking on this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you want to edit it, just click on it, change whatever you want to, and then to save your changes, click at the top right corner, and to discard them at the top left one. Then tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up, and to disable or enable alarm, click on this switcher next to it. Lastly, to delete it, click on it and choose delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!